Alright, y'all. Let's look at Bitcoin real quick. This is just a 15-minute time frame. So this pretty much just occurred July 7th, from July 7th. Right now, this is July 10th. This occurred probably three days ago. But this is to the average, eye. This is squiggly information. This is what a lot of people say: consolidation. Don't trade consolidation. All this nonsense you hear on the internet or whatever. But once you understand what's going on with the charts, none of that even matters. All that noise that people talk doesn't matter, right? So looking at this is pretty clear on what took place. So now if we just replay and go back, notice, remember, you can go back to just general market structure. We have a high there, we have a high there, and we have a high here. So higher high means price is going up. So now what typically happens is, for price to continue, then this is a pretty ugly trend line. I don't trade trend lines. I typically don't trade them because I can see the trend without using them. But if you want to, you can use it. Draw a trend line, and this zone right here is a previous low zone, right? So this is just basic market structure, like this is stuff that you should know as a trader. So this is pretty much the crosshair. So if this gets crossed back into, the high get broken back into, and then the previous low get broken, then that's just a clear sign that price is going to try to aim down. Because obviously, if price is going to keep on running up, it has to reject from this zone and keep on running up to continue the trend. So it had to, or reject from this trend line and keep on going up. The reason why I say this is an ugly trend line is because it's not a healthy trend line. A healthy trend line would be something like this, where it would do something like that. This would be more healthy, a more healthy trend, with the other side also being followed as a channel. But this is not a healthy trend line, so a lot of manipulation is going on with this. So now this right here is one, whenever you see this, a major run up like this is one manipulative move. And being a regular trader, you won't think anything of it. You just think, oh, maybe it's just starting to rally up. But if you understand what the charts do and how they work, you understand this is just a trap. Because this run up here, this run up is most likely pressure that's just being added to the market for it to run up, in order for regular traders, regular Joe Schmoes, to say, hey, it's a buy. And then when you put your buy in, guess what? It start coming down because, of course, it was manipulation. So now, as this comes down, guess what? All you have to do is pretty much wait for it to retrace. So you have this set up already, right? So you have the highs and you have the low. There's no point for you to get in now, because you already pretty much missed the entry, or the real entry on a lower time frame. You missed the real entry from up here. That's already dead. So now what you need to do is pretty much wait for it to come down, exercise some patience. So now this is another entry point where you can just simply put your fib like this and go down to a low time frame and see where it's anchored off of. And from there, notice where it's anchored off of, right? Nice order block sitting right there, right? So notice it's anchored, it's sitting right off that order block right there. But you have to understand every time frame. I hate when people say, I only trade one time frame, I only trade one time frame. You don't see the clear picture. Unless you're going to scalp, you cannot see the clear picture of a move on one time frame. You have to use time frame correlation. and you have to use them. You know what I'm saying? You have to. You know what I'm saying? It's just better that way. You know what I'm saying? So you get a nice clear vision. So now when this reject, this could have been your first entry point at the top right there. And you know, you could have put your stop loss up here, and then you could run this all the way down to here, right? You don't want to play with it. If you don't want to play with it too much, you could run it down all the way down to here to this order block zone. So let's say if that's the case, so now we would, where is that? All right, here. Let's say if we did enter right there. This is not too big of a move, you know, it's just a 3.79 R&R, but this is how you play the game, right? This is how you play the game. This is the first entry. First entry. Now it's just a game of retracements. And you just wait. And this is the problem with a lot of people, you just don't have patience. So now once it start retracing again, you set up your targets again, right? So now you have your target set up again. We're looking for the 61.8. You got the fib drawn, so you set your target. But only once it start retracing again. You could even took a buy right there and hedged it. But anyways. Alright, so let's see if it hit the target. It didn't even hit the target yet, which is cool. We good still. So now this will be your second entry, right? Why? Let me show you. This is what I'm saying. The 61.8 right there, right? So 61.8 right there. This is the bottom. And if we go down to the 5-minute, this order block sitting clean and beautiful around 61.8. So that's our target. We could put that above here. And then we could run this to the same target zone. You know, we're going to play it some more. Let's go back to the 15. We're going to play it some more. Let's see what else he give us. So now we 2 orders deep, right? Oh, we got another hit. We 3 orders deep. We got another hit off the same zone. So we're gonna put that above the wick right there. This could be moved pretty much to in profit. It could be moved in here to in profit. But let's go anyway. Whatever. Let's see when they hit our target. You have to understand, price will always retrace to specific zones. You just have to be ready and prepared for it when it retraces. Remember I told you this was only a... See, you can even get in again. Let me see what's up. Yep, there we go. This was another entry point. Watch this. 61.8. Right, so now you go out to the lower time frame. Let's go to the 1 minute. We have to go to the seconds. But this right here would have been a nice entry point. Or is it right there? Nah, right here, the 61.8. This right here and here would have been a nice entry point. But you have to go to like a 15 second to 5 second time frame to even catch that play right there. And we can stack some more. We could erase. We need a nice clean chart. We could erase that. Put this right here. Target right there. Nah, it's too tight. See why I say it's too tight? Look, it almost hit. And this right here is a nice setup. Manipulation again. See how this high was created, manipulated, came right back into the zone. You could draw this out. Boom. And what they call that, head and shoulders in general terms. But nice little manipulation, came down. Respected here. We could draw another fib and get another entry going on right there. If that's what you want to do. Because you could get another clean entry right up here. Take it down to the same target. So all this is stacked up until it hit the target. And this is how you take one simple setup and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 orders on one simple setup. Keep in mind, this order right after it retraced so much here, and notice how it kept creating lower highs. Market structure. High, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. And then it came down and hit right into target. Beautiful move. Beautiful. But then, guess what? You don't see that here. You feel what I'm saying? So it's, you only get better by keep on doing. You have to keep on doing. You have to keep on practicing. You have to keep on studying. That's the only way you get better. And once you start doing that, you start seeing things. You remember I told you I don't use trend lines, but I noticed the trend. And then the low right here was broken as the trend, in the invisible trend line. There was a crosshair right there. Once that took place, that was, even though I would have got in early, but that would have been a confirmation that this is going to come at least down to this order block. Now, I don't know, man. It's just beautiful, man. I love it. I love it. But it already hit target, and that's how you maximize small setups. Remember, this is a 15-minute time frame. We didn't need a 4-hour time frame. We didn't need a daily or weekly time frame. We didn't need any of that. All we needed is a target point and to manage the trade. And to manage it in order for us to get the nice entry points. Draw this out. And now you have a beautiful setup, beautiful moves. 5 plays off of one setup, and you pretty much good for the day. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. That's how it's done. But you have to understand the concepts in order for you to do this with confidence. And remember, more information, more clarity, and more information, more knowledge, more experience. Be in those charts. Even if you're, if you don't have no money and you just playing with demo, be in those charts to at least recognize setups. Not the money. Don't focus on the money. Just recognize setups. Because that's what's going to make you a great trader. You want to build your craft. You want to respect the market, not try to rape the market, not try to get money out the market, not trying to force the market to do what you want it to do. You want to respect it. And once you understand how it works, you start respecting it, you can flow with it. You start flowing with it, and you start seeing things that other people don't see. You start seeing things before they happen. But yeah, this was a beautiful play. This was a beautiful play. Yeah. So, but that's about it, man. Big fish. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, whatever type of videos you want to see, And also, the course is available in the description section. So there's pretty much 2 ways you can pretty much get the course. You can get the full, you can pay full one time. Understand that the course is not static, so there's videos that's constantly going to be uploaded for a lifetime. So you could pay one time and have videos uploaded for a lifetime and have access to those videos. Or you can pay the 6-month installments. Once you pay for the 6th month, the last month, you pretty much have access lifetime access to the course and the content. and whatever new videos that are being uploaded within the course. So like I say, I don't do static courses. You know, all my courses are live, which means all my courses are, I'm constantly adding material to it as we go on, so you can see different examples of things. So click the link in the description box if you want that, if you're interested in learning, or you can set up a one-on-one with me, whatever, however you want to go about it. But y'all have a happy trading week. And man, keep on practicing, become the best trader that you can be, and keep on pushing forward, man. Big fish. Let's get it. Like, share, subscribe, please. And let's just perfect our craft. Let's master our craft. Let's get it, y'all. Thanks for watching.